Welcome back, friends. See, in the last video we had done the sum in a different way. We had drawn the diagram and I had shown you how to do the sum, but let us do the sum exactly by a method. Okay, so Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine of sides 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So he makes a cuboid. See, right, he has a cuboid, and the length of the cuboid, breadth of the cuboid and height of the cuboid are given to us. 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Now the question is, how many cuboids, such cuboids, will he need to form a cube? So he wants to get a cube. See, right now what does he have? Right, so he has this cuboid where length, breadth and height are given, right? Now he wants to make a cube. Right? He wants to make a cube, and a cube is such. See, if you make a cube, then the length, breadth and height all will be equal, right? So this is something like a cube, right? So in this cube, length, breadth, height all are equal. In this case I have taken x. Okay, he wants to make a cube, and the question is, how many such cuboids, right? How many such cuboids will be required to make one big cube? So if I find the volume of a cuboid, now volume of a cuboid is nothing but length into breadth into height, right? So what is length up here? 5. Breadth is 2 and height is 5. So if you see one thing, to make in a cuboid the measures are different, but if I want to make a cube, I have to get all sides equal, right? So you can see I have 5 is 2 times and 2 comes 1 time, right? So to make a cuboid, I'll have to do something like volume of the cuboid multiplied by something will give the volume of cube. So to make the cube, I need to multiply the volume of cuboid with some number, right? And this number is our answer. How many such cuboids will be required? So number of cuboids multiplied by volume of one cuboid will be volume of cube. So I need to multiply this volume of cuboid with some number. Okay, if I write volume of the cuboid is equal to 5 into 5 into 2, right? Now I want to make it equal, meaning, see, I have 2 5s up here, so you can see 1 5 remaining, right? If I multiply this by 1 5, I get 3 5s, right? So I multiply this also by 1 5, and 2 is only 1 times, so I need 2 more, right? So into 2 into 2, so I'll also multiply 2 into 2. Whatever I do on right side, I do on left side. So now you can see that the volume of cuboid multiplied by 5 into 2 into 2 is 20. Volume of cuboid multiplied by 20 will become now 5 into 5 into 5, 5 cube. 2 into 2 into 2 is 2 cube. That's 5 cube into 2 cube is 10 cube. And 10 cube is now the volume of the cube. So our answer up here should be 20. So we will write answer, number of cuboids required is 20. You can see this is how we got the sum. This is how you exactly do the sum. Okay, now let's go further. Let us now learn to find the cube root of any number, right? So let us understand what cube root means. See, now we know that 2 cube is equal to 8, right? 2 cube is 8. So the reverse we can write, so we can say that the cube root of 8 is 2, right? See, if 2 cube is 8, then the cube root of 8 is 2, and this is how we write out. We draw this symbol and write 3 up here. So this is the 8 ka cube root, the cube root of 8. So the symbol, this thing denotes cube root, right? See, if this symbol only denotes square root, right? See, this symbol denotes square root. But if I write 3, then that becomes cube root, right? Be very careful. If there's nothing written here, it means square root. If 3 is written, only then it is cube root. Okay? So now, if 1 cube is 1, then cube root of 1 is 1. That's the inference. If 2 cube is 8, then cube root of 8 is cube root of 2 square. That is 2 cube is, that's 2. 3 cube is 27. So cube root of 27 is cube root of 3 cube. That is cube root and cube are removed. So we have 3. The same way, 4 cube is 64. The cube root of 4 is 4. Cube root of 64 is 4. Same way, cube root of 125 is 5. Cube root of 216 is 6. Cube root of 343 is 7. Cube root of 512 is 8. Cube root of 729 is 9. And cube root of 1000 is 10. Right? So this is what you have to remember. Okay, now let us find the cube root of any given number by the method of factorization. First sum is we have to find out the cube root of this number, right? So let's write like this. Find the cube root of this number, right? I'll just write again. Find the cube root of 3375 by prime factorization. So very first thing we do is we have to prime factorize, right? So I will write 3375 and I will get the prime factors. So you see 3375, 7 plus 5 12 and 3 15 and 3 18. So 18 will go by 3 stable. Always we start with first 2, then we go to 3, then 5, 7, only prime numbers. This is prime factorization, right? So 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, carry for 1, 3 5s are 15. Same way 5 plus 2 7, 8 9, 3 will go by 3. So 3 3s are 9, carry for 2, 22, 3 7 are 21, carry over 1, 15, 3 5s are 15. Same way again by 3. So 125, then 125 goes by 5, 5 25s are, then 5 5s are, 5 1s are. So I will now write, see, I'm going to do like this. 3375, right? That's our number. That is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 3375 I can write as 3 cube multiplied by 5 cube, right? So I can write 3375 is equal to 3 5s are 15. So that is equal to 15 cube. So now 3375 is 15 cube. So I will now do, therefore the cube root of 3375 can be written as the cube root of 15 cube, right? See, in both sides I am taking cube root. Now cube root and cube are cancel out, so we get answer is 15. This is our answer. The cube root of 3375 is 15. That is our answer. Now look at this sum. I have to find out the cube root of 74088. So what do we do first? First we are going to factorize, prime factorize 74088. So let me do this for you first. So if you look at the sums, I've done all the prime factorization. So now I can write, I'll start the sum 74088 can be written as, see, there 2 comes 3 times, then 3 comes 3 times, and 7 comes 3 times. So that is equal to 2 cube into 3 cube into 7 cube. Okay, so that is 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42 cube. So 74088 is 42 cube. So then I'll write, therefore the cube root of 74088 is nothing but the cube root of 42 cube. The root will go out. The answer is 42. Simple, friends, right? Okay, so this is what we did. So in the same way, we can do example number 6 and 7. Find the cube root of 8000 and find the cube root of 13824 by prime factorizing method. Once you've done this, you can take up exercise 7.2 and finish off question number 1. See, all these 10 sums are the same. Find the cube root of the following by prime factorization method, right? And this is it. Now one more topic remains, the estimation method, and the end of this chapter will finish off. So one more video and then this whole chapter is over. So meet you in the next video. Bye, friends.